If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Okay, so back to another repetition of what's going on here. ABC in play, ABC correction. As always, as I told you, you had this one big huge channel right there, downtrend here. People are going to say it's a falling wedge, but I think it's not a falling wedge, but it's more like a channel, and it was never a falling wedge. Now the thing with this is that on the weekly time frame, you made this support right here, support right there, and then came down, made another support, bounce off the support, move sideways, break to the upside, because this was your resistance right there, resistance right here, resistance right there. So yeah, you can say that the downtrend has been broken. That's true. The downtrend of the channel is been broken out, but you never know if you move sideways and create another channel to the downside. You got to keep that in mind. Now when you break out of things, you backtest them, right? And that's where I said that this for me is just going to be nothing more than an ABC correction of this impulsive move to the upside, where you just popped to the upside, came down for the A, the B, and the C correction being the biggest one, which means that it's going to be bigger than this A correction right there. Then you have the C correction, which is a huge correction, and then again that technical target is down to 0.05, and that also means one thing. All right, if you come down here and backtest 0.059 or 46 and you try to hold it as a retest and pass the retest, we could actually bottom out here and start to move up for Dogecoin. That's a good news, isn't it? Because downtrend is broken, the trend is done. Retest the broken trend, hold it as a retest, boom, shoot to the upside. That's simple as that. Or come down, fail the retest, backtest this, fail terribly bad, and continue to the lowest part of the channel, which is 0.019444, and finally again try to break out, backtest, and boom, push to the moon. So that's the kind of a scenario that I want you to look after on the weekly time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we have another flag actually, and I still gave you this target down to 0.06632, the near term target, and you can see this is an extended flag right there for Dogecoin, and you take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where we're looking to drop down, and that's going to be again 0.06754, and it's just going to be a little bit up there. And that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.